Okay, so we're gonna unbox the minor cube much special purpose. So let's unbox the cube. So we're okay. So this is the cube. So wow, god damn it. So this is the gold version and silver version. So yeah, let's see it. Let's open one. Mm, so the rotation is it's okay. So yeah. So what about the gold? Okay, so this is the silver. So yeah, so this is the unboxing for mirror cube much special purpose. So yeah, this is my review. So there's nothing I can say, man. So yeah, so I recommend this buying. So I'm gonna put the link on the description. So if you wanna buy this type of cube,